Alright guys, so here it is. Finally got this thing off the trailer. I was supposed to have that truck and trailer back to U-Haul early this morning, and it's clearly not there. So I'm sure I'm gonna have some crazy late fees racked up on that now. But yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. The car is nice. I'm not a 64 Impala fan. I'm really not. But this car is solid. The body is the body's nice. The body's straight. It's nice. I was really surprised with how clean and straight this car is. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down and push it in this storage unit. Can't see, it's dark right now, but push it in that storage unit. What's going on, guys? The 63 Impala that I have, the convertible unicorn, and the other 63 hardtop I have from Arizona, kind of been put on hold because I was looking for some parts for the longest, even before I got the unicorn car, and I finally found those parts. Now, it's part of the reason why I got the 64 Impala. The previous owner didn't want to part out the car and the parts that he had. He just wanted to sell everything as a whole. So I had to buy the car in order to get the parts that I needed for the other cars. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys first on here before I drop the video on YouTube. Check this out real quick. So let's check this out. He had 3 red pumps, competition pumps. Now these are new. They were never installed. Luckily the holes and everything are all sealed up, so there's no rust or nothing on the inside, nice and clean. But these have been sitting in boxes for years. And he had them included with the car. His plan was to put him in the 64. This center one's gold. It's just old, man. It's been sitting in the boxes for years. But you can see these blocks are a lot thicker than this one here. So his setup, from looking at it here, I guess, was 2 pumps in the front and 1 in the back. But yeah, it's definitely a really, really nice setup here. So we got the 3 Reds pumps here. Here's the car and all the stuff that came with it. Got the core support, fan shroud, got an old school hop hose 10 switch box there. The red cylinders, I believe those were 14s for the back. And spindles here. Then you got these solenoid blocks, got 3 of these. 3 solenoid blocks there. These battery racks, this pump rack, he said Reds made these back in the day. Honestly, I don't remember Reds making these, but he said Reds made these and offered it when he purchased all this stuff new from them. It's got the mounts for the solenoid blocks on the racks there. This one here is for the pumps. So 1 there, and 1 there. Got all the trim. There's the hood. And that hood's super clean too. No rust, no dents, nothing. Super clean hood. Got the grill, front bumper, back bumpers under the grill, the rear end there. Got a disc brake conversion set up there. The steering stuff in that bucket right there. I believe it's the factory banana bar. He's also got a painted one down here, right there. Got a slip yoke in there also, along with a carrier bearing, some solenoids, this Reds distribution block here also. The transmission cross member. Had a lot of stuff that was included with this thing. But here's the trunk. Now he did cut some areas out because of how he was going to set the rack up. You can see that spot there is kind of cut out the most, but that side down there, past the driver's side, is fine. Really, really clean setup in the trunk. Trunk lid's nice and clean. It's nice and solid. Doors are rust free. The only dent that I found on the car was right here, and it's a soft dent too. So I imagine you can pull this out. Nothing crazy there. Again, all the interior. Got your back seat, bottom part down there, the glass, your steering wheel. Got some chrome shocks in there. Dash cluster here, or I'm sorry, instrument cluster, 80,000 miles. Wiper cowls down there on the floor along with the headliner. And here's what sold me: Pitbull frame. Never been mounted to the body. This body's just sitting on here. But yeah, never mounted to anything. He got it brand new, and it just sat. All this stuff sat for years, and he took it apart. Just never got around to getting it back together. So I called Pitbull just to verify. Shout out to Brent also for taking time out to work with me on this to make sure it was a legit Pitbull frame. But definitely came out to be a true Pitbull frame. He verified it, confirmed it, and the car's got everything except for the engine and transmission. But what I'm going to do before we put this up for the raffle, start putting it together. So stay tuned on the YouTube channel. I'm going to have pretty much this car built in this storage unit before it's time to ship it up for the winter. So all right, guys, but yeah, this is it here, all in pieces and parts. But we're going to go ahead and get it put back together so it's a roller, so the next person can build it how they want. Everything that was taken off the car is here with the car. So all the suspension pieces, all the interior pieces, everything that was removed, literally everything that was removed is with the car. So it's all original. All original. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Check out the YouTube channel, Raw Free. This car, again, will be going up for grabs for the upcoming raffle. And entry is going to be same as last time. You know, you purchase a shirt, you get a ticket towards the car. 5 entries or more, you get 2 free tickets towards the car. And that's how we're doing it. So, all right, guys. I got oh, here's the trim tag also. Pretty sure I sent the picture of this before, but here's the trim tag there. Seats are the same color as the car. That's blue. But yeah, everything's there. Everything's there. So it's gonna be pretty fun, guys. We're gonna put this car together in the storage unit, and then it's going to go to a lucky winner. So all the original parts come with the car. Now the pit bull frame will not be coming with the car. That's going to go on my 63, but I have a super clean straight frame and another storage unit over here that I'm going to pull out, bring it over and put it under this car, mount it to this car, and make the car a roller, and we'll put it up for grabs. So all right guys, super clean car. There's a little bit of filler, like seriously a little bit of filler just on the very lower part of the quarter towards the back, and then like in front of the back wheel there's a little small spot, but yeah, that's it. Both fenders are way up there, pretty straight fenders too, and again, you know, your trim, all the trims right here in the box, your grill, your bumpers, the battery racks and everything I'm going to be putting in the 63, but here's the core support, fan shroud, and that's it. So shout out to Chuck. That's who I got the pumps from and the car and everything from. Definitely going to be touching base with him in the future. I believe he's got another car going up for sale that we'll check that out too. So all right guys, have a great holiday weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Be safe out there.